Mm-hmm. Oh, what's this? Smoke candle for $5. Never heard of smoke candles before. You got California Smoke Rocket. Oh, retail value $7.50. You pay $6. Let's see here. You got smoke crackers, M100 smoke crackers. Never seen those before. And then you got smoke balls, 8-piece for $2. But this is funny. $5 for smoke crackers. You can get these crackers at WF Boom for like $3 a pack, and they're not even smoke. You got a fun smoke pack for $10. Nice. And sparklers for $2. Those assortments here. There we go. Looking at $50 for this entire array of bangers, cap guns. When I say bangers, I mean the cap guns, not those other bangers. Smoke cones, mummy smoke, lots of cloud smoke, different types of smoke. Booby traps. Oh, they have booby traps. Are these actually poppers, crackers? With the strings? I don't know. Anyway, so that's what the assortment looks like. At least it's all filled up and no excessive boxes, empty boxes or empty spots on it. I guess this is the side view of it. TNT. Yep, same thing. So this is why TNT is enforcing those, trying to change the laws and get rid of the medals and fireworks, so they'd be the only game and sell fireworks for this much. A bunch of smoking paper for $50. Or at WF Boom you could get like a Safe and Sane assortment for like $10, where you actually get sparks and fountains. So sad.